Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, it's your favorite Blessing A Carter. Hi, if this is your first time, you're also welcome to my channel. So guys, today's video I'll be doing a sleek eye drawstring ponytail with no gel. So if you are interested, if you want to find out how it turned out, you definitely want to keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get right into it. So guys, I'm going ahead to stretch out my hair by combing it all out, and the next thing I want to do is to spray my hair with water, what we call H2O. Don't mind me guys, I'm actually spraying my hair with water, then I'm going ahead to comb it all out. This is actually the trick to getting a sleek ponytail with no gel. You can spray as much water as you would want to. So guys, I'm literally done with combing out my hair, or perhaps stretching out my hair after applying water, and the next thing I want to do is to pack my hair into a bun. You want to make sure it's sleek, like it's sleek, if not totally sleek, but it's sleek. You get the point guys. So I'm trying to make it sleek while trying to put my hair into a bun, just trying my possible best to make it sleek.
It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind.
So guys, I'll be using the hair wash to lay my edges.
Repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.
Guys, I'm going ahead to put on the drawstring ponytail, and I'm going ahead to spray water on it before putting it on. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on how I came about this drawstring ponytail, or perhaps a DIY on it, comment down below and I'll do just that.
It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth.
So guys, I'm all done with my hair. This is the final look and I'm so loving it. I'm loving the vibe that I'm catching right now. Like guys, look at how slick it is. Look at how slick it's turned out. You can literally achieve this with just spraying water on your hair. There is a slick ponytail with no gel, and look at how slick it turned out, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.